Hit it.
Hi guys! This week we finally get back to working on the office and dining room. We've shown you how we have framed out the office and done drywall work, and this week we tear out the carpet and do some painting. Over the last week we went and ordered cabinets for our office and a new French door for our dining room where the sliding glass door is. Because of the coronavirus, it's going to take a few weeks, probably I think they said like 6 to 8 weeks to get those things in. But we want to make sure that we're all the way ready once they're available. So to be ready, we need to finish the demo and do the painting, and then we're going to try to do the flooring everywhere upstairs except for in the office.
Oh, that's so dusty.
I don't want to track it through the house.
We shopped around quite a bit for our office cabinets. We got a quote from Home Depot and Lowe's, and then also from an online cabinet store. Then we compared the quotes, and we were a little bit surprised to find that the one that had the best quality cabinets for the cheaper price was Lowe's. So that's who we went with.
Okay, go ahead.
How you do this is get one of these and like this and get a hammer. I'll tell you to do it. And you got to have seats too. Alright, start working. See? That's how you do it. Let me clean around with plugs so you don't want to accidentally. Well, I'm getting to over here now.
Okay, that looks good.
Well, I'm getting over here now. That's a good idea, right? I think you know how they come. You want is wrong. Let's draw the balls one. Make sure to get off the balls. Mom pays it on me.
No.
I beat you to it.
Our kids absolutely love helping to work on the house. It can get a little stressful for us when it involves paint, but they usually do a really good job. With Max, we try to give him something that we're going to throw out just to keep him busy so he can feel like he's helping.
We are going to take this door off
Can I help?
and put it in the back of the truck. Yeah, you can help. You guys ready? Fetch, I just hit the wall here.
Is it then?
Yeah. Dang it.
You better have it running.
Maybe I just better unscrew it.
Unscrew it.
That's it over there. Want to do the bottom ones?
Can I do it by myself?
Sure. You gotta push hard. true.
Whoa!
Did you leave Max outside? Oh my gosh! Look what he did to that. Oh, bad. He bought a car. That looks so bad. Do you see what you did to the wall?
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to watch next week because things in the upstairs are really coming together fast.